Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to post a GIF on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. The platform has had a few updates, so if things look a bit different on your screen, don't worry, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, open the X app on your desktop. If you don't have the app, you can simply use the web version, but the steps are identical either way. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main timeline where you can see posts from all the accounts you follow. Next, look for the Compose box. It's that area near the top of your feed that says something like, "What's happening?" Or if you prefer, click the blue Post button in the lower corner of the screen. Either one will open a new window where you can start creating your post. Now comes the fun part. Beneath your text box, you'll see a few icons, a camera, a poll chart, and right in the middle, the GIF symbol. Go ahead and click on the GIF icon. This will open X's built-in GIF library that lets you browse through thousands of options powered by Giphy. You'll notice trending categories right away, or you can type in a keyword in the search bar to find something specific. Once you see a GIF you like, just click on it. It will instantly appear inside your post. You can add your caption, comment, or any hashtags you'd like right above it. Take a moment to double-check everything. Make sure your message looks good and your GIF fits the vibe. When you're ready, click the Post button. That's it. Your GIF will appear in your followers' feeds alongside your message, looping perfectly for everyone to enjoy. It's quick, simple, and a great way to add personality to your posts. And there you have it, the updated, step-by-step way to post a GIF on X using your PC. Give it a try today and make your timeline a little more expressive and fun.